This one here obviously is no good. Of course it's not. A piece of garbage. Well, if you don't use it, you will lose it, like some people say.
2,000 years later.
Today model. I know what I say. I know I really do want to build a car, but I'm gonna finish all of my dad's models first. I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I think 7 more models to go. And that's it. I'm gonna be done. 7 more models. I'm gonna go ahead, go right back to doing my models and do it back to schedule. Today we'll be building a FockeWulf Fw-190A8 Heinz Bär with Kübelwagen ground vehicles kit used for let me see, you can see it. Deliverable concept include authentic markings, include fully engraved panels line, and it is through Academy Hobby Model Kit. It's 1/72 scale, so it is very tiny, but it comes with the airplane and comes with the whatever this is. oh, that's right. It comes with this Heinz Bär Kübelwagen. Here's the actual picture. 2213. That is the model number. And another thing, guys, is made in Korea. So for once, things are not in China. That's actually really good. I'm very glad that it's not in China. It's in Korea. Wow, here's all the other languages. Good luck reading them. Like I said, good luck. Here's English, contain 1 assemble mottos, kits, and easy to follow pictures, instructions, paint and submit required to complete model as picture unbox kit suitable for ages 10 to adults, scale 1/72. Yeah, the thing about is with this model, the directions has been lost, so I have to thank God on the internet. I actually print some directions out. It's supposed to have 1, 2, 3, 4 models. Alright, this is complete. So it has 4 trees. Well, let's see. Let's go ahead and open this bitch up. See what we got. Oh, wow, that's nice. In Korea. Alright, let me go ahead. For this, before starting to assemble, read the instructions manual very carefully to understand well everything of the instructions. Before cutting a part off, smooth check the part number again and use the proper tool such as nippers to cut it clearly. Take care not to be hurt and use a modeling knife to cut or trim. Okay, well, I think I know this should be disposed and proper immediately to keep out the research and danger. Well, here is one in Korea or in Japanese. Here in Korea, you can pause the video if you want to see it. Here is in English. You can pause the video if you guys want to see it. Okay, put this over here. Here's the watermark. I'm not doing watermark, so good luck. Here's the tree. Oh, well, actually, some things already been cut off because I got this particular thing through. I don't remember where he got this from, but whatever. All right, moving on. Wow, holy crap, this has been moved. Alright, well, I guess that's it. Well, I guess it's supposed to be easy as pie, right? Nope. No, it's not. This is supposed to be a scale 4, so it's supposed to be a scale 4. That means we have to do some sanding. Oh, here's should I really glue this? I think I should glue this. I mean, I don't know, whatever. What? Some people can't build models? Hey, give up, you piece of shit. Oh, whatever. Okay. This time, I'm trying not to lose this piece. The last time I kind of lost it, so. Alright, well. This one here obviously goes here. So, I put them on the right side. Okay, first thing first, the cockpit. Okay, read the directions.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. Maybe someday you'll have it your way. Maybe someday it'll all work out. Until then, nope, a nope, a nope, a nope, definitely nope. A nope, nope, a nope. Probably never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. Oh no.
Alright guys, we finally finished building the airplane around. We finally finished. It turns out not really too bad for a very small miniature airplane, especially it's made in Korea. Some of the pieces are missing, so I apologize for my behalf that I don't have all the pieces. Maybe he'd probably dump it somewhere. I'm not really sure, but some of the pieces like these are add-ons for this, because it tells you on the directions. See the nuke, the big, it has a little star. That means it's a reference to if you want this or you want the other nuke. I just keep it as a stock because I don't want to miss everything around. I'm going to do the I'm not going to do this right now. Actually, maybe I am going to do this right now. I'm probably going to do this maybe part 2.
Eventually.
Part 1, airplane. Part 2, the Jeep. What is this called? Korea Jeep. Part 3, I'm going to paint the airplane. And part 4, I'm going to paint the Jeep. I'm going to do it in parts. I'm sorry that I took this long to upload a more video because I was extremely busy, involved work, and I don't even have time to play games. I was like time go by so fast. I can't really explain it. Cut through the cost of the showcasing, and hopefully you guys can hit the like if you enjoy the build. I am going to, it's official guys, I have little boxes. I'm going to leave it on there just to let you know one more thing. I am going to leave this on there, little pictures. I'm going to cut the boxes, put them on the screen. I like that. So it's official. I'm going to use this from now on because I am the only one in my YouTube channel that actually does this. Why? I don't know why. I am the only one.